This is what I got going on today. Just repair this fence. I already planted the posters already. Everything. Got me my roller wire right there. Next thing. Got this gate right there. Pull these pieces out of the ground, all these out of the ground. So pull those 3 out of the ground and I install back these 3. Yeah, so I'm just waiting for them to dry and then I can install back the rest of the fence when they get solid and dry. Okay, like, share, subscribe, please, and thank you. Yeah, so a little beehive thing going on over here.